name is Harry Lawrence Milala. I am from Malawi. I work with the Ministry of Health as a medical laboratory officer. I've come here as a fellow with my colleagues to get a training in genomic sequencing, which is targeting SARS-CoV-2, and to also have hands-on experience in bioinformatics. The experience is just so good. We've gotten very enriched information, especially on the wet lab part, even the practical, and also we have had thorough and very inclusive training in bioinformatics. Actually, we needed this type of training in Malawi because we want to strengthen our sequencing capacity. So we had insufficient human capacity in this, and this training is going to enrich that capacity and strengthen our genomic sequencing. So the experience here has been so good, both in the bioinformatics as well as the wet lab. We had very good theory as well as the hands-on experience. We were given ample time to have the hands-on experience to the point that we've been so much equipped.